Hi everyone, welcome back to Azad Ka Tour. This is Jyotsna Azad, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can draw another pose in 10 head croquis. So you can see that I'm marking all the 10 inches on the balance line. So this vertical line is the balance line, and 1 inches is the length of the head. So 10 head croquis will be 10 times the length of the head, that will be 10 inches. So let's mark some basic points, like at 1.5 inch we will mark the shoulder line, then at 4 inches we will mark the hip line. So 1 inch will be for head, and at 3 inch we will mark the waist line. Now at 4.5 inches we will mark the crotch area. Now let's come to the legs part. So at 9 inches we will mark the ankles, and at 6.5 inch we will mark the knees. So these are the basic points around which our croquis will revolve. So now let's start drawing the croquis, and I am using a red pencil color so that the croquis will be more visible to you. So let's mark the center of the torso. So the direction in which the torso will be falling, or the torso area of the figure will stand. So depending on the pose, this is the line that I have marked for the torso, just a rough line. And now let's mark all the shoulder line, waistline and hip line. Okay, so the base of torso, so the shoulder line will fall low from the right, and the waistline and hip line will be marked in the opposite direction of the shoulder line. So usually this is the case in most of the croquis, that the shoulder line goes in the opposite direction of the waistline and the hip line. So the waist and the hip will raise from the right side and will fall low from the left side in this case, in this pose that I am drawing. And the waist will go inwards from the left, and again it will go inwards from the right also, but the hips will be broader from the right side. So these things vary from pose to pose. So like I said, the hips will come outwards from the right side, and now drag the hip line to give the shape of the legs. Now the right leg will be drawn in such a way that the feet of the leg falls in the center of the end point of the balance line. So I will show you how to do this step. The feet will end, so you will see that the feet that I'm drawing will end at the end point of the balance line, in the center of the balance line. Okay, so this is the basic idea for the feet if you are drawing this pose. Now let's draw the left leg. So the left leg will be in a diagonal position, so the knees, the ankles, they won't be parallel, no, they will be slightly low from the right knee or the right feet. Okay, so that's why I am drawing these rough lines. So now let's draw the left leg, and it's always better to draw some basic lines while drawing a figure. So I marked the center of the torso, then I marked the shoulder line, waistline, hip line, then I marked some rough lines around the knees, ankle and the feet. So according to the direction of your pose, if you mark these basic lines, then it will be very easy to draw the figure freehand. So because we have the basic lines ready, so we have a basic image of the croquis ready in our mind, so then it becomes easy to draw the body parts. So now you can see that the left knee is slightly low from the right knee, and the same goes with the ankle, and the feet will also it will come forward, and it will be extending from the center of the balance line. Now let's draw the shoulders and the arms. So the right arm will be in the resting position around the right hip. So the fingers will be resting around the like the fingers will be placed around the right hip, and the position of the arms totally can be changed, so you can change them. So if you want to like cross them, or you want to place them anywhere else, so that's totally up to you. So now for the left arm, the shoulders will raise from the left side. So the shoulders are falling from the right side, but they will be high from the left side. And the left arm will be crossed, and for the left arm the fingers will be placed on the left waist or around the hips. So like I said, the position of the arms can be changed, so you can change them accordingly. So the arms are crossed, and I have placed the fingers around the waist. Now let's come to the head part. So in this pose, we can draw the head slightly tilted towards the right side. Just give a slight tilt to the head, and so that the facial features will be like they will be facing front only. The eyes will be looking at the front side only. So the figure is completed, and now I'm gonna add some finishing touches to the figure, and then I'll show you that how the figure will exactly look. And as I was explaining about the head, that I will also show you that how the eyes will be looking towards the front side only. So you can see that I have completed the croquis, and this is how actual figure is gonna look, and it's completely ready to drape any garment on it. And you can see that the facial features are looking towards the front, even though the head is slightly tilted towards the right. So guys, you try this croquis and share your illustrations with me on my Instagram page. The link is in the bio. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.